Hello, my name is Bobby Joachim, and I'm glad to talk to you today on this Delenta platform on something that I find very interesting as integrating your LinkedIn platform as well as using your Delenta profile for your marketing strategies as a coach, as a mentor, or as someone who is invested in developing humans beyond where they are. And for starters, it's exciting because in recent weeks, I have had the privilege of sharing about the LinkedIn Challenge, 7-day program where I take on particular scenarios to optimize their LinkedIn, to position their LinkedIn properly, as well as positioning it for profitability. It's been exciting to take people on this journey where people get to see how their LinkedIn profile can be fully optimized and how they can integrate a little features as professionals. And I'm excited that in the LinkedIn press room, I saw recently on the platform that the LinkedIn press room gave a demographic of the 1 billion plus membership and how it was spread around the continent. Being from Africa, it was exciting to see that the Middle East and Africa were merged together, and we have roughly about 60 million subscribers on the LinkedIn profile. While, of course, the largest was credited to Europe with about 277 million, followed by all of it. It's exciting because that challenge brings to bear the need for us to consider LinkedIn as their go-to social platform where they can market their products, where they can distribute their content, where they can network with other professionals like they are, and of course, improve their thought leadership. And so, how does Delenta come in the middle of all of this? As a coach for the last 7-8 years, I've been looking out for a platform that will actually help me to integrate all of my activities as a coach. And then I was Googling, I found out a lot of platforms advertising themselves. Then I asked for Delenta, and I had one of the team members at Delenta have a open call discussion with me where we spoke about my present needs. And let me be factual, it was not about upselling Delenta to me. It was more of how do you want to use this platform? And let's know if it's a good fit for you. And so in that call with the team from Delenta, I discovered that it was a platform that was fitting for me. And then it was not without any much convictions and hustles and upselling. I signed up for the Delenta program, and it has proven to be helpful. Much more. Earlier part of this year, the person who was devoted on my team, that was devoted to helping all my coaching clients get on board, get to know all their sessions, had a crisis in her life. And so she was not fully optimized to serve in the capacity in which she was serving. And guess what? I didn't feel that moment, that gap in my team structure at that point in time, because I had already used Delenta to really walk through all the back end. And so business went on as usual, my activities went on as usual, and it was exciting to just see how people could get all of these in one place. And that's what Delenta seeks to offer. Today, I'm going to share with you something that I found in cooperation with this LinkedIn challenge that I think that every coach, every mentor can actually deploy. So if you go to your Delenta platform, you will discover on your Delenta platform that you have the opportunity to update your profile. So you go to the top left corner or the top right corner rather of your Delenta platform, and you will discover that when you click on your image there, you would find out that it's easy for you. So let me quickly share my Delenta screen with you, and you will love it. So this is my back end or my Delenta screen, all right? And it shows my name. It allows me to customize and to put the profile of everything that I'm doing. It shows the kind of description you want to give to yourself. It gives you opportunity for your company. But this is not to show you about how to use Delenta, because there are well-made videos around that. Now, this is what I do. For my Delenta at this point in time, I have not uploaded the 7-day LinkedIn challenge. I'll do that in the coming days. However, if you want that, it's simply for you to create a package. And when you create a package, you come up to the top left, to the column here, and you can as well copy this profile link that is highlighted. The moment you copy that profile link, you can step into your LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn. All right, this is my LinkedIn profile. And you come to this pencil icon. It's important for you to do this as a coach. If you are using the Delenta platform, I would greatly suggest that you do this. So you come into this pencil icon at this point in time. After the basic info, your name, if you have an additional name to add, then you can put in your headline, which again, let me say this, is part of the things in the 7-day LinkedIn challenge that you must master how to do. Master how to do your LinkedIn and the headline, of course. Put your current position. If you scroll down, you would see a called the custom button. It says a link that will appear at the top of your profile. What you do is that you click this custom button, you click link, and there's currently a link there already for me. So again, I put in the link from my Delenta, which is very important. So I can put a custom text. I can say book a session with me, book a session, for instance. All right. And I click that. All right. That way, and remember always whenever you're using LinkedIn to use your save icon, the save button here, and I click on save. Now, this is what happens. Look at the magic that happens. It says book a session. Amazing. Book a session. And the moment people come down to your profile on LinkedIn and they click on book a session, they would discover immediately that clicking this will take them automatically to your landing page on Delenta, which of course I should believe you optimized, which of course I believe also you should work on and make sure that you enjoy using that back end. Now, the Delenta platform is very exciting because it gives you opportunity to book multiple coaching programs, multiple coaching sessions that people can likely have with you. And using that, you can integrate your LinkedIn with that link. You can put up whatever CTA you want to use, book a session, call me now, book a free discovery session, book a free 30 minutes call, for instance. Those are strong call to actions that will actually guide people. And the way it is positioned is that immediately after your headline on LinkedIn, people would see that. So there's no chance of missing it or skipping it. When people see that, they would immediately see that link. So right now, when somebody comes up on my profile and Googles my name, Bobby Joachim, or just comes up on LinkedIn to search up on me or to view my profile, they would see that call to action and it's going to be standing there. You should consider using that for all of your coaching programs. And I really would encourage you that you really use that call to action. And just a bit of thoughts that I want to give to you as regarding the 7-day challenge also for your LinkedIn optimization. Again, I will share something on my LinkedIn for you to participate and to see. I will share for you to see how importantly, just a couple of tips that I will share with you on how to make the most of your LinkedIn experience as a coach using LinkedIn and the Delenta integration. When you come up on this profile, you will discover that there are a couple of things. Now, my backend says that I'm on creator mode. I would like to encourage, please do not activate the creator mode if you're just starting out on LinkedIn. Wait for your connections, wait for your ship to grow. This is another feature that you can use on your LinkedIn. So for instance, now you would see on my LinkedIn that there was a conversation, the Delenta Coaches Connect, and that's a podcast, and I wanted it to be featured. Also, there was a time when I spoke at the EMCC Global GPS Provider Summit recently. You would see it featured. And how do you do that? Quite easy. You can easily come to this icon that shows a plus. You can also put a link here again. So when you click on add a link, it takes you, and you can, for instance, put this. I put up a link. All right. So paste the link. It won't work directly, but you can do this. Once you click on the ad, it shows it. I can put up a description. I can as well change my thumbnail to an image that I want. For instance, I can put a 7-day LinkedIn challenge. Watch what's going to happen right now. Put up a description, put up the, I click save. The moment I do this, you will discover it's right there on my featured portal. All right, on my LinkedIn profile, it's showing there the 7-day LinkedIn challenge. Now, notice there's an example. I'm going to take it off after this because it's not fully optimized. But there are several things you can do with your Delenta, with the the LinkedIn platform integrated together. If you do have any questions or any thoughts that you want to really share, or that questions you want to ask when it comes to the LinkedIn optimization and positioning, do well to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help. And the team at Delenta will be glad as well to really help you. So that's the nugget that I want to help you with today. Do well to listen to it again and make the most of it. Cheers.